Meaning of governing.
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 Governing. Governing refers to the process of managing or controlling a group of people or organization. It involves making decisions, setting policies and regulations, and enforcing them. The act of governing requires individuals or entities to have authority, power, and responsibility over the group or organization they are governing. The ultimate goal of governing is to ensure order, stability, and progress for the governed. Effective governing entails transparency, accountability, and participation from all parties involved. In summary, governing is a vital aspect of any society or organization that aims to achieve its objectives through efficient management and control.